Hi, my name is Bella, and I came with a group from Washington, D.C. through Jewish Federation of Greater Washington. This was my dream ever since I came to United States from Ukraine to visit Israel. It was very uplifting, and to see so many Jewish women come together from different countries, Canada, and Mexico, and Russia, and Argentina, and Israel. Was extremely, extremely touching, and we participate in together in all interesting activities and visiting ancient sites and sites that are very significant to every Jew, and listening to wonderful guides, and then have very exhilarating classes about different things that unite Jewish women. And I'm very appreciative for the opportunity that I've got through the project to participate. And I would recommend and wish that many more women can make this trip and feel what I felt.